So you guys, what's up? Ryan Skating out here with another video today. Today will be 10 easy beginner tricks that anybody can do, I feel as if. And I know I've been putting off the mountain board video for a while, but that video will be tomorrow, hopefully. We haven't been in that location to film the video, so we'll have to do it some other time. But anyways, we're just gonna switch locations, so I'm gonna go to a different spot right now, and yeah. Already, we hit these ledges. It's been a solid minute, so I'm just gonna skate this ledge a little bit, and yeah. Alrighty guys, just landed a Smith, pretty hyped. The wind is terrible right now, as you can probably hear, but I'm just gonna move on to the next spot. You're really starting to see these shoes disintegrating, and it's super windy. And I will use this as a section of the video to promote Ben Salm Street Skating Part 3. That video was posted yesterday, so if you have not yet seen it, make sure you go watch it. It's pretty insanely fun for me to film. I don't know how insanely fun it is for you guys to watch it, but just go watch it. It was yesterday's video, so yeah. And I've been trying to upload every day this week, and I'm pretty sure I'm like 4 or 5 uploads in, so hopefully I can make that 1 week and then just build on with that and not miss an upload for a very long time. Alrighty guys, so now will be the main point of the video. And what other way to start it off than the first trick. So the first trick basically is probably one of the easiest tricks you will possibly learn. It's just jumping onto your board, literally. Just like jump on your board and just don't be scared, and yeah, I feel like it's a pretty good trick to gain comfortability on your board, so just like jump on it, and yeah. Alrighty, so the next trick, if you've watched a lot of tutorials on videos similar to this, you can probably tell that this is just jumping on your board. So all you want to do is put the board behind your feet and just be confident. I maybe try it in grass first or something like that, but just be confident, jump on your board. It shouldn't be too hard unless it's a commitment issue. Alrighty, and the next trick is also a pretty easy one. It's just riding off a curb. You just have to lift your truck up basically. I mean, if you can ollie, maybe ollie it a little bit. That'll help you, but I'd say just ride off at first. It'll probably be easier. So you just want to like lift your truck up, and the rest should be history. Alrighty guys, and the next trick is a manual. So basically you can do this any variation of manual. Nose manual. It'll probably just be easier for you guys to just do normal manual. So what a manual is basically like if you've ever seen a wheelie on a bike, it's the same thing except on a skateboard, but I mean just try and like lift it up, get it up for like maybe like 2 seconds. And I mean if you keep doing this, just riding around, like riding down the street, you'll get pretty good at it. And you will soon become a manual god like Aaron Cairo himself. And the next trick on this list is manualing off a curb, which this is also a relatively easy trick. Just do the manual off the curb. It's basically like you already did, except just with a little more manual. So this next trick is basically kind of like a no comply, except you're not actually popping and you're just taking your front foot off and riding off the curb. It should look decent, especially if you're just starting to skate, and it'll be pretty cool for you guys, so yeah. Okay, so the next trick on this list is a boneless, and a boneless, if you do not know, is when you put your hand on the board and foot on the ground and you just bring the board up. This trick's pretty easy. Just make sure you jump with it. Just bring the board up and just jump along with it. That's probably the hardest part people don't understand, so yeah. Alrighty, and this next trick, you guys might think, oh my god, that's kind of crazy, since it's the easiest trick, but I have to put an ollie on this. The main trick for the ollie, I have covered this in a past video, and the link for that video will be in the description below, but the easiest thing I can say for this, and the strategy that helped me out, is make sure when you're ollieing up, bringing your back foot up. That's what really got me to be able to do this trick, like when I started skating like 2 years ago. So, and this next one for you beginners is relatively simple. You just gotta put your front tail on the curb and come down with it. Yeah. And the last, but not final, but it is the last and final trick, it's just a pivot, okay? Now, like, pivot is a very crucial part in the world of skateboarding, and it's basically just you switching around. You're seeing it on the screen, so you know what I'm talking about, but it's you just like tic-tacking everywhere. So, and tic-tacs are the way into pivoting, so if you can tic-tac, you can pivot around everywhere. Alrighty guys, to try to wrap this up into the absolute easiest tricks you can do on a skateboard. Hopefully that video satisfied you and you can learn all these tricks. If you cannot, just watch the video again. I don't know what to tell you. Or ask a fellow skateboarder in your fellow community. But anyways, let's get back into the vlog. Since the skate park is closed once again, I will proceed to skate these metal things at the basketball court. That's it right there. Hopefully I'm gonna get at least a trick on it.
Can't skateboard in here.
Alrighty guys, we got kicked out pretty quickly. I thought that we were at least gonna stay there for like a little while. I probably wasn't gonna skate there too long anyway. I just maybe want to learn a new trick or something, but I don't know. Guess I'm just gonna have to go somewhere else. Alrighty guys, we're at the next spot. I'm gonna skate it. I think I might go home after this and then go back out because I am thirsty I'm just really thirsty and I need water and yeah. But then I'll come back out. So yeah. Alrighty guys, leaving the spot. I think I might hit another spot before I get home, but I'm going right back out, so it doesn't really matter. Alrighty guys, at the next spot, and I'm just gonna do like 10 switch shoves off this curb. Trying to get this trick extremely consistently and get it good, because I want to, if you guys know Nigel from Braille, he like gets them like way out in front of him and then catches them somehow. I want to get them like that, so I gotta put them on curbs and then just start building up on this trick, because it's an extremely fun trick to do, especially once you get the hang of it, and I'm just gonna keep doing it. So yeah, so I'm gonna do 10 on this curb, and yeah. Alrighty, I only hope and I pray that I'm getting that trick more consistently, can take it down, bigger stuff now. I landed like most of those. Every clip that I played was all the tries, so you guys could obviously tell like if I'm getting the trick more consistently, which I think I am, and I think I'm ready to put it down something bigger tomorrow. But anyways, I would normally say the main point of the video, but we already did that, so I'm just gonna talk to the camera. Alrighty guys, hopefully it is not extremely windy like it was a couple days ago outro, but Ben Salm Street Skating Part 3, I'm going to promote this video again, is out. It was an extremely fun video to film, so hopefully you guys have an extremely fun time watching it. I hear a helicopter. I was about to say I don't know why anybody would be using a plane, but it's a helicopter. But anyways guys, I think that is going to be it for today's video. I am going to get the mountain board video. I'm going to hopefully get it to you guys by tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure because that really, it's not mine, so I can't just film it whenever. So I hope you guys understand that. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on the video if you enjoyed it. If you didn't enjoy it, then I guess leave a dislike. I don't know. Yeah, peace. I just found a tripod, by the way, guys.